viewers, and for you today I have a coin from Vietnam. This is a South Vietnam 20 dong coin, and this coin is particularly special because this is an FAO coin. It was a special issue for FAO, and if you don't know, that is the United Nations Food and Agriculture Organization, whose goal is to end hunger throughout the world. This coin is nickel-clad steel. It is approximately 9 grams in weight and 29.6 millimeters in diameter. It is a 12-sided dodecagonal coin. Its KM number is number 11. And this is the obverse. It has 20 dong, and that says the Republic of Vietnam in Vietnamese on its obverse. And now I'll show you the reverse. And on the reverse we have a depiction of a farmer in the paddy field. And the lettering there says, translated, World Campaign Against Hunger, 1968. Now, I was trying to figure out what the difference was between the regular coin for 20 dong and the FAO coin. And as you'll see on the diagram here, on the right we have the regular, which is KM number 10. On the left is the FAO, KM number 11. And the difference is simply the text on the back. As you can see, the regular has that text, which translated means the National Bank of Vietnam. And on the FAO, it has a different message in lettering around the text. And it translates as World Campaign Against Hunger. So this is 29.6 millimeters in diameter. As you see there, it's just shy of the 3 centimeter mark. This coin should have a weight of 9 grams. And there we have 9 grams. So here we have the same coin, a 20 dong from South Vietnam, different year however, side by side to show you the difference between the two. This coin is in condition BU, uncirculated, and it is valued at approximately $12. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.